today I'm gonna be making a video of unboxing a labubu. Once my mom got it, I was like literally jumping off the walls, excited. It's called Exciting Macaron. Oh, it's from Potmart. How do I open this thing? Also, my mom got for me clothes for the labubu. I have purple one I like, and this. Oh gosh, the purple one's my favorite. At first, I thought it was it was only hair clips, but they're actually stuff for the labubu. And I was literally bouncing off the walls from excitement today. What's this? Okay, now I'm gonna. What's this? Okay, Exciting Macaron, Potmart. Oh, this is so cute. I think it's like some kind of thing I put. How do I open this thing? Oh my god, it's so cute. Oh my god. Oh. Look at it. My labubu. And what's this? Keep away from children. Okay. Oh my god, look at this thing. Oh, look at my labubu. Oh my god. After this video, I feel like I'm literally gonna start bouncing off the walls while jumping with excitement. Oh, look, it even has this on its leg. And look, I got this. I went to a movie theater today to watch Lilo and Stitch, the movie. Yeah. And I got some face paint. Yeah, I went to a movie today. It was so amazing. The new movie, Lilo and Stitch. I went to watch it. I don't know if it's a new movie or no, but just, oh my god, I love you. Okay, you want to test this I'm gonna test these clothes out on it. Look at it, isn't it so cute? I'm gonna give you a full tour. Yeah, it's so cute. Now I think you should try the other outfits. Yeah, also I got this thing. I don't know if it's a hat, just my mom told me it's a hat, so I'll try and see if it's a hat. This thing. Is this supposed to be on the head, or is it an extra outfit piece, like a skirt or something? Because first I thought this was a skirt. Oh, look at it, it's cute. But is this supposed to be a skirt? I don't know. Okay, anyway. Now let me test it on the other outfits.